Hello everyone, I'm Ksenia from DeepPavlov, and in this video I'm going to build DFF skills in Dream using DF Designer. So as you may already know, DeepPavlov Dream is an open source dialog platform for developing AI systems, dialog systems, and chatbots, and anyone can design skills for Dream using Dialogflow framework, which is a Python software stack for creating chatbots. And what I'm going to show you is the extension for VS Code that allows you to design DFF skills using customized draw your UI and Discourse moves recommendations. It's important to note that we are still in beta, and by this video, we don't want to encourage you to use this instrument, but if you really want to try it out, I hope this video helps. So let's begin. I have already installed the DF Designer from the extension marketplace. As we are going to work with Dream, we first need to find title build complex multi-skill AI systems with DeepPavlov Dream. And to start, we need to open the terminal. And now we can just follow the instruction by copying and pasting the commands. So we clone Dream. Now we switch to Dream. Then we need to switch to another branch. So we do git checkout, yes, this one. And now we need to create local YAML. And we are ready to start with an example. So we do this command. Yeah, it doesn't do anything because I'm already in VS Code. So, and I have this folder already opened. We need to find skills, DFF book SFC skill, and then we go to the scenario folder. And we open main.py. Now we won't need the terminal, and I suggest you to split down. And now we are ready to start with the extension. So we reopen editor with, we choose DF Designer. And you can see the same dialog scenario represented as DFF, but represented in a form of graph. So we can click on any node. Yeah, you can see that this is the bot's utterance, which says, I enjoy reading so much. Books helps me understand humans much better. Why do you enjoy reading? And we can see the transitions. This is a condition for transitioning to the next node. Then we can double click on the node. We need to choose speech function of the utterance. So we see that why do you enjoy reading is a question. So we choose track clarify, which stands for questions. You can see the example. And we click on save. It appeared in the code. Now we can click on show suggestions, and we see the predictions for bot's utterance. So I will choose clarify again. I double click on it. You can change the title. And here you can see the list of predictions for users' utterance. So that means that when I chose clarify here, I suppose that to my question, why do you enjoy reading? The user can answer something like, why do you ask? And for why do you ask for this condition with clarify, the bot can give a detailed answer, and so we choose resolve, which stands for detailed answers, and we click on save. Here this node. To specify the text, we need to write anything in code. So I will write something like, why do you ask? Because I'm interested. Yeah, but I will change this one. So let's check how it works. To check this, we need to open the terminal again. Then we run. We need to switch to Dream. Now we can build our bot. Then we need to open new terminal tab. We run. We need to switch to Dream folder, of course, and we can run our bot. We provide any user ID. I say hi. Hi, this is a Dream social bot. How are you? As we want to check how our book skill works, I'm going to trigger it by saying something like, I love reading. Books are my diamonds. Do you love reading? Yes, of course I do. I enjoy reading so much. Books help me understand humans much better. Why do you enjoy reading? And as you can remember, this is the exact node that we modified, and we added a new condition for transition into new node suggestion. And to check how does it work, we wanted to say something like, we wanted to ask a question, so I will say, why do you ask? Because I'm interested. That's exactly the node, the text of the node we modified, we added here. So it works. And also I wanted to show you how to work not with the book skill, but to create your own skill from the beginning. And we have the instruction. Needed in your custom skill, this one. So we copy we copy this file and we paste it to the folder DFF template skill, DFF template skill, scenario, folder scenario. Yeah, I just paste it. And I need to add this line to our template skill. And also I need to import SF conditions. Here, and now I can I also can split down. We won't need this one, so again we reopen it with DF Designer, and we can start building our bot. So node 1 says hi, how are you? And again we can specify the speech function. Hi, how are you is open initiate demand fact. We save it. We click here. We click on Show Suggestions. Show Suggestions, and we see the predictions. I want to choose resolve, as the resolve is a detailed answer. So I double click on suggestion. I will name it resolve, for example. I will choose the next node of the bot will be register. That's okay. And I'm going to click save. Our new node. So when the user gives us full detailed answer to our questions, how are you, or what's up, the bot says something like rate, which stands for the speech function register. And then you can do the same. You can again build the bot using Docker Compose and run it, and again speak with the bot. So also I wanted to show you that you also can work with not with speech functions, but you can use Midas recommendation system. It's a system for with classifier and predictor of dialog acts. You can go here and see the examples. And to do this, you need to open extension settings. And here, selected predictor, you choose Midas. Now, if we go to any of our files, for example, let's go to our new skill, and let's open it in, I'm sorry, open it here. For example, we want to work with this node. Good. What do you want to talk about? We can now we choose Midas, for example. What do you want to talk about is open question factual. We click on save, and we can see the suggestions for Midas here. So I suppose that's all I wanted to show you, and thank you for your attention.